Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today we have a sort of a show and tell, a flip through. This is the tall journal for the Hometown Journal Kit. It's difficult to get it all in shot. Maybe I'll turn it that way. It's pretty big, but it's using the vertical pages that are in the kit. So, and I didn't put a closure on it. If I start using it and it gets really, really fluffy, I might do something like that. But right now, it really doesn't need one. Okay, so it's really simple. I mean, I did a whole lot of this on camera, and then I just finished it up off. I layered up some file folder and put the Hometown little placard that's in the kit. Fussy cut that out and put that on there with some lace behind it. Cute, cute, cute. Yeah. And then down here, I made a stacked image pocket that's sort of a tuck, It's the same image as it's what's behind there. And I put some of the little, the smaller journal cards in there. Laced it up, of course. It's got, I guess technically it's got one signature, but you'll see inside in a minute. And I didn't do anything back here. It's such a beautiful kit too. You don't have to do a whole lot anyways. I just, So let's get in here and see what's in here, huh? Now we did this. This is the one signature, the technically one signature. Okay, but over here in this big pocket, I went ahead and made a little pull-out notebook with the pages from the kit, and it's just really pretty, easy to just pull out and tuck back in. Super cool. This is the one. Now we did this with this is just a cluster pocket on the front because I just thought I wanted one. It's got little die cut pockets in it with some of the journal cards from the kit. I made some mini ones and I'll show you what I did with most of them in a minute. This is fussy cuts, just fussy cuts from the kit. So, yep, some more little cards and die cut pockets. Now this is what I use those little mini ones for. Eventually, someone could put like pictures of where they went or their family or themselves or whatever in our little picture pockets. Okay, so what I did was I put lace around the pocket, the picture pocket on this side. As you can see, it's got a little bit of shine there. And on the other side, it's got the pocket that we decorated. We did these on a video. So just fun and easy little die cut pockets to tuck things in. And I don't know, the oval ones are a little bit bigger, which is fine. So I just stuck some in there, and maybe someday I'll put a bigger picture in. I don't know, but yeah, just sticking things in there, and it's pretty. So I'm okay with that. Little die cut pockets and more picture pockets. Yeah. So you can put something that'll show through over here and then stick another journal card over there, and you've got both sides of it working for you. I put some of the die cut pockets up here as tuck pockets, tucks, or what, I don't know, whatever you want to call those. Lots and lots of writing space in this one. Again, lace around that. And you've got a pocket on one side and a picture see-through thingy on the other side. In the center, I left it, it's pretty. So I tied on the strings, I tied a key and a little heart on there. And this is one of our hidden paper clips. It has a pocket on both sides, that kind of thing. Yep, there's another one of our pockets. We did these, well, I showed how to make them. And then I just put them in offline. I didn't put a thing in there, but I put a thing over here, so it's got something in it. Okay, so again, another tuck pocket up here. I just put one of the fussy cuts from the kit in there. Stick that in there. I think those picture pockets, I don't know what else to call them. That's what I called them. They turn out really pretty. You've got something on both sides of the page that way. So, I don't know. I liked it. I hope you guys like them. Another tuck pocket. I used a lot of the fussy cuts and such from, and some of them are from the kit. Some of them are freebies. This was in the little hometown folio. I did a video on that, and I gave a freebie set away. Different things, different freebies, different stuff. There's another one up here, just in different random places. Well, not too random, but sort of random. Another little tuck pocket with the kids playing. Yeah. Okay. Just pretty stuff. Lots of writing space. Just super cool, right? I think it is. I love this little journal. Now back here, we had this flip out. And I left this blank so that somebody can do whatever they want to do with it. If I keep it or if I sell it, you know, whatever. You can do whatever you want to do there. I put a little flip out notebook over here though. It has Velcro. Just a little Velcro tab to close, to hold it still. And so you can make all sorts of notes over here on this. And this is all left to where somebody can do something with it. You got to leave a little room for growth and development, right? So the book itself folds in over here. You fold the little tab in, and that way it's kind of tucked away, kind of hidden behind there. But it stays in place that way. It doesn't flip and flop around, okay? So that is the tall journal. It's a sewn in signature. This big signature is, of course, sewn in. And I just added in little cards. Putting the little mini cards in was, I don't know, to me it was fun. They were, you know, it's the regular sized ones. This is the regular size, and then this is the little mini size. They're printed 2 to a page with this one, and regular size on this one. So I don't know, I thought it was cute, and it worked for, you know, putting in here. I think it's cute. So yep, if you guys have any questions on this or anything you want me to show you, I think I showed most of putting this together on video. It's pretty simple. I kept it simple on purpose. I didn't want it to get too thick. So, yeah. It's not. It's very squishable. You know, you can do like this and it squishes right together. So that's why I didn't put a closure, you know. Why do a closure? Yeah. So, there you go. Pretty simple and easy. Just beautiful paper to work with. So if you have this kit, you can so do this. I put fabric on the spine because, yeah. And if you watch the first one, where I started the design of this, it's made from a file folder. So, but once you put lightweight cardstock on top of a file folder, you've got something that's pretty sturdy, right? I mean, I think it is. So, yeah, just pretty simple, a little bit unique when we start putting our picture pockets in and stuff. But really, it's simple and super easy. So, yeah, if you have any questions, you want to know how I did what or whatever, you know, ask away. I'll probably be able to figure out what I did. Maybe. Okay. So that's the Hometown Tall Journal or maybe somebody would call it a traveler's journal, something like that. It's just the vertical pages. I'll turn it this way so you can see the whole thing at once. It's tall. Oh, I could measure it for you. I think I measured it when I did the thing, the first video. It's 11.5. Yep. 11.5 by 5. So, there you go. It was fun. It was super simple and easy. I had a lot of fun making this. Sometimes you just want to do something simple and easy, and sometimes you want to do something a little more complicated. This one was so easy. So, again, I'm going to try to hush now. I think it turned out great. I hope you guys like it. Give you one more look of the whole thing, right? In the back. Okay. I'll leave it like that. That way you can see most of the whole thing. Sort of. It's really tall. Okay. You guys take care. Please like and subscribe. Pretty please. Thanks for watching. TTFN.